Hey guys, it's Jyothi. Welcome back to my channel. As Diwali is around the corner, I would like to share some beautiful and easy DIYs for this Diwali. Please do watch this video till the end. So let's get started with the process. For the first DIY, you need some diyas. This is the idea of painting diyas and pots for this Diwali. I got the diyas with self-design. You can also pick the plain diyas and paint on it. Paint the all over diya with the color you like. I am using bright colors here. Do the same with the remaining diyas also. Now take any contrast color and start painting the details. Go for any simple design you like. I am just tracing the design given on the diya itself. I'm adding some dots to make it more beautiful. Follow the same steps for the next diyas as well. And that's how you get the most beautiful diyas. For the next DIY, you need a paper roll. I'm reusing this party popper. Remove the paper and cut the roll into 3 different sizes. Now paint these rolls with any color you like. Now take a glitter sheet and cut it into thin pieces. Now attach this glitter sheet to the both sides of the roll. After that, this is how it will look. You can also stick any lace instead of glitter sheet. Repeat the same with remaining tubes as well. Now take a rectangular cardboard piece and paint with the same color which we painted the tubes. Now stick the glitter pieces to the edges of the cardboard. Now stick the tubes on the cardboard piece. Now your DIY diya stand is ready. For the next DIY, you need a circular cardboard piece. Now draw any random design on the cardboard piece by leaving a little space in the middle. By using molded clay, you need to trace through the design. Now leave it for some time to dry and then start painting over it. Now take small mirrors and stick on the design as shown in the video. After sticking all the mirrors, this is how beautiful it looks. Now place a diya or a candle on the middle. For the last DIY also you need a circular cardboard piece and paint it with a black color. Now stick the molded clay on the cardboard piece in the shape of Ganesha. Stick a lace around the cardboard piece with the help of a fabric glue. Now paint Ganesha with white color. Stick some colored stones on the top of the art piece to make it look more beautiful. I'm adding the colored dots to elevate the look. Now make a tassel with the white yarn. Then attach the tassel to the cardboard piece. Then hang this to your wall. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment your favorite DIY below. See you in the next video. Bye.